If you want to download the Facebook app on your iPhone 17e, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the App Store. Once you open the App Store, we're going to use the search button in the bottom right corner. Then we have the search field at the bottom, and we can just simply type Facebook over here. There we go. You can use the suggestions, of course, that appear on the screen. Once you find the Facebook app, you should be able to press on this Get button on the right side, or if you tap on the app itself, you will find the Get button here, right next to the logo. Now just wait for the Facebook app to be downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And once the app is ready to use, you should be able to open it directly from the App Store if you want to, or you can go to the app library, or maybe you can even find it on the home screen. And sometimes you might need to verify yourself by providing the password by using Face ID or something similar, so be sure to do that if you want to install the app. So there we go, this is how it looks like. We can tap on open here, you can go to the home screen in order to try to find your app, or just go to the app library and find it here in recently added or on the list in here. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.